Oi, oi. Look at that. The Insta360 Flow AI powered smartphone stabilizer. It's got a little magnetic type pull up, 3-axis, deep track, foldable and portable, 1-step rapid deploy, auto mode, AI powered editing, magnetic design, built-in stick and tripod, all day battery life, well 12 hours is half a day, smart wheel, you've got how to assemble it, pretty straightforward, but look at this. You can see the whole chip inside. Pretty funky that, isn't it? Lift that up and the device comes out. Look at that. It's about as long as my hand. A little bit of weight there, as in it's not lightweight, it's heavier than a mobile phone. Just check if there's anything else in the box. So we get the quick start guides, guidelines, warranty, the adapter that goes onto the phone, this extra little rubber handle, and also the Insta bag. So if you look in the box, the little instructions for starting guide, there's a little barcode to scan. That will get you downloading the app. It's actually newer on their website than it is in the Play Store. So this is on an Android Google Pixel phone, the 7. And in here we can choose 4K at 60 frames a second. Now that may not happen on all Android phones. Some people have said that they can only get 30. But clearly you can see I've managed to get 60 frames a second. You can also manually adjust the frame rate and those settings for professional use. I'm going to leave that as it is. In here you've got your zoom speed, your joystick speed, front cam tracking. You can turn them on and off. Everything's sort of in there, so it's pretty good. You do have to enable location and local share to be able to use this, for it to connect to the Insta360 gimbal. So Instaflow 360, got the controller. We're going to unfold this, so you twist that round first of all, out, and then here you pull that up and it automatically turns on. And here we got the control. To select the next thing, you can literally just swing your finger around and it will change. Now I haven't got the phone plugged in at the moment because I'm using it to record, but what it does, it will then adjust itself for different modes. You can also pressing once, pressing twice, pressing 3 times, and you've got the wheel. You've got a USB charge point, and where the camera holds, you've also got a charge point to use as a power bank to charge your phone. Here you've got your tripod extender stick, this is a tripod part, which you then can open up, and that's a tripod. That just easily goes back together like that. In here you can open this, which is called a cold shoe, and you can mount a microphone. The tracking is very effective. I found that just pressing the front trigger once, it will then potentially look for something and lock onto it.